your back Shantae, and I'm coming to you with another video. So this video is kind of an after fact video, but I want to explain and show you guys how I accomplished or did this. So as we can see, I have two crates. The two crates I got at Home Depot for $9 each. And then I got the letters from Walmart for $1.50 a piece, I believe. So this project altogether probably cost about 25 bucks. No more than $30. So how you get this is, what I did was I spray painted it. So let me show you guys the spray paint that I use. Spray paint for the wine, I use this Rust-Oleum. What is it called? Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Coverage Paint Plus Primer, and it's the gloss, and the color is deep blue. So that's the deep blue that you see on the wine rack that I made, and this is good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So it actually is good for everything. And I got the gloss, like I said. This can equals 1 can equals 2. That's why it says 2x ultra coverage. So that's what I use for the wine rack. For the letters, I use this Rust-Oleum metallic brilliant metal finish. I was trying to remember. Yes, it's this metallic, guys, but it's this blue color that you see on the top of the lid. And I use this for the letters. I already had this can. So actually, yeah, that's why I said no more than $30 for the wine rack, because I had to buy this. I already had this, so I just reused what I had for the letters. For the bar, which you guys will see in a minute, and I will explain in a minute, I used the Rust-Oleum again, American Axis, the 2 Ultra Coverage, 1 can equals 2. It bonds to plastic, wood, metal, and more. And I used the gloss and the dark gray color for the bar. And so those are what I use for the to paint. And I actually went outside and spray painted, guys, both of the items, and let them dry and brought them back in. So if we're gonna go back to the bar, let me explain this. So I put a shelf at the top where the glasses are. I put that shelf in. I used some L brackets, which I already had too. But I used some L brackets, and I put a little shelf up there. At first I was gonna put the bottles there, but the way they were coming out, I was afraid that they were not gonna be able to hold, and I didn't want somebody like to come over here and bump it. Come over here and bump it, and then all of a sudden we got glasses or bottles broken on the floor. Then I'd be upset. So then the second crate, as y'all can see, I have the bottles and a little shelf that just laying there actually, and I may screw that down, as well as the crates right now are just stacked on each other. I may go ahead and just nail them together so I can make sure that it stays, but I really think it's okay because it's in a corner. That was one thing that I know I hadn't finished yet or decided yet. The other thing is the letters still need to be painted on the other side, but yeah, the painting, the letters are painted in that metallic blue color, and so I'm gonna have to paint the back. I'm about to do that today. So that's what the wine rack is made of, and how I made the wine rack, the bar. Okay, so actually I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna spray these letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these letters. Let me get situated and I'll be back. So I have the letters up here, y'all. We're gonna start with the end. I'm probably gonna move that E because I don't want to spray my wall. So I would normally do this outside, but because I really don't have nowhere to set the camera up than where I have it right now, because my tripod thing on my camera is broken, I'm gonna show you guys here. So you guys see the end. All I'm gonna do, you're gonna shake the can real good. This is the same thing you do when you spray the thing. I like to put gloves on, but I'm not gonna put any gloves on right now because this is really not that bad. But normally with furniture, you probably want to put some gloves on so you don't get it on your hands. So we're gonna shake this up really, 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 really good, because if you don't shake it up, you're not gonna get a good consistency spray. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna spray back and forth, to get it evenly. Back and forth like that. Back and forth. Okay? I'm going to move this E because I ain't trying to get my wall. I don't know if y'all can see it. But you can see the top part. Back and forth. And make sure I get the top of it, because the top and the sides. So you're going to let that dry probably for about an hour. The letters don't take very long to dry. The letters don't take that long to dry. And that's what they look like when they're wet. So we're just going to leave that there and let that dry. So the next couple hours or so, they should be dry. Okay, you guys. So the bar was actually a bookshelf, and what I end up doing was I had a situation where I ended up having to put some doors on it, and I have to put a lock on it. So I decided I was gonna be creative because I was gonna make it look good. So I'll insert the picture of what it looked like, the bar looked like after I put the doors on. But basically what the doors were actually an old TV stand that I had. And if I can find a picture of the TV stand, I'll insert it as well so that you can see. And so I had broke the TV stand. Here, let me turn the camera toward me. I had broke the TV stand, guys. Okay? Broke it. So I had broke the TV stand, and so I said I need to figure out what to do with this TV stand. I said, well, maybe I can fix it one day because I'm so crafty and I be finding DIY things to do. So that was probably about a year and a half ago I broke the TV stand. And I broke it trying to clean. I was moving the TV stand. Yeah. So anyway, I was trying to clean the floor, move the furniture around and stuff. Anyway, I broke the TV stand. So I took all the pieces and I put it downstairs. Okay? And so, about a year, about a few months ago, probably about 6 months ago, 5 months ago, I decided to use one of the pieces for my vanity, to make a vanity, which I will give y'all my closet room tour soon, okay? I've been saying that in a lot of different videos, but I gotta get some stuff cleaned and organized in there, and then I will let y'all in. But, so I used I think it was the bottom piece, it was either the bottom piece or the top piece for my vanity. But y'all will see how I did that. Then, so these doors was on the cabinets, as you will see in the picture of the TV stand. And so they were still down there, and I was like, you know what? I know where, because I was about to make doors. I was going to go to Home Depot, get some wood, and get the hinges, and try to figure out how to put the doors on the bookcase so I could make this a lock bar. Okay, so I figured out how to make it a lock bar. I decided instead of spending money on wood, let me use what I have downstairs. Because I actually have some wood pieces, but I had to figure out how would I use those wood pieces for doors. So I ended up saying, let me use those cabinets. I got the cabinets and I put the cabinets in. And so let me show you guys what the cabinets look like in the. Okay, so y'all see, these are the hinges. The hinges were already on the door. I painted them gray like the thing. But these are the hinges. So I just took the hinges and I took the screws that came with them and I screwed them into the thing. I took a drill with the drill bit and screwed a hole, not going all the way through, and enough so that I could get the screw in there, and then that's what I used for that. So that's how I did that. So that's the inside of it, and I did that on both sides, of course. The doors are like so, and I see the nails look like they're not loose, but I might tighten them a little bit. But see, yeah, those are the doors, the latches, I mean, on the doors. That's what it looks like in the inside. And as y'all can see, I painted the inside gray all the way around. Okay? So that's what it looks like in the inside. This is the shelf that goes in the inside. So since I'm about to put this thing back together, I'm gonna go ahead and put the shelf in. Y'all, hold on. See, the shelf is in there now. Hold on, y'all. So that's what it looks like with the shelf in. So the bottom will be for the liquor. And then the top, I'm going to put some glasses. And those, you be able to get the glass all day long. It's the liquor you won't be able to get to. So that is what that looks like. So I'm about to put the glasses and the bottles and stuff back in here. Then I will show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, so now here is the finished project. And I put the handles on. Let's open this bad boy in the cabinet. So this is what it looks like. Open. And this what it looks like closed. Yeah. That's what it looks like closed. So, and then I'm going to put, I have this lock. It's a bricks lock with the key to put on there. This is how I'm going to put it on there. I'll show you guys. Thought about painting the lock, guys, but see, there it's locked. This is what it looks like, y'all. Locked and secure, lock bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My bar, my wine. Y'all see how I sprayed the letters? They're drying right now. So this is what it looks like. If you guys would like to see more DIYs and actually see the whole task from beginning to end, please let me know. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Love, love. Look, she done forgot. Love, peace, and blessings. Deuces.